Hello viewers, welcome to Start Coding Tamil. This is your Divya. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about linked list. What is linked list? It's like an array. It's another way to store the values. Before getting into the details of linked list, why we have to use linked list? Then what is the problem with an array data structure? In this slide, I declared an integer array called marks with values 70, 60, 50, 85. We know the integer array will be allocate the memory sequentially. So like 70, 60, 50, 85, the memory will be allocated sequentially. So for an integer, we have the memory used to allocate is 4 bytes, then 4 bytes with the 4 elements. So for this array, the memory allocated is 16 bytes. Okay, let's get into the problem. So what is the problem here? So if I want to insert a new variable in an array, in the above example, I mentioned it is a fixed size of 4. Then how will I insert another value? If I want to insert a value, then I will assign a new array with an increased size, and then I will do the shifting operation. We know the shifting operation is expensive when you consider the complexity. So what about the deletion operation? So the deletion operation, you can remove the value, but you cannot clean up the space. So that is the problem with an array. Let's take an example. You have an array with 10 values. You have an array with a size of 10. So then the size of the array, the allocated memory is 4 into 10. The 40 bytes will be allocated. But you have added only 2 values. So only you used 8 bytes in the 40 bytes of memory. So this 40 bytes cannot be used by any other operation. So that is the problem. So for this problem, we have a solution. We came up with a solution called linked list. So here I assume this is a computer memory. I'm going to take the same list, the marks array, which has a 4 values. So here I'm adding a first value 70 and the second value and the third value and fourth value. You can see the difference. It will be inserting in a different place. Okay, so here the linked list is used to allocate the memory, and it's not sequentially. Okay, it is same like it's a linear data structure, but it's not allocated sequentially. So then we came up with a question, then how it is linking. So we have a pointer. So the pointer is used to reference the next element. We can say it is used to store the address of the next element. So the 60 has a pointer which has the reference to the next element. The same way the 50 and 85. So node linked list uses node to store the value. So here the value, node has two parts. One is the data and the pointer. So the data will be the value 70 and the pointer is used to store the address of the next element. So if I'm assigning only one value, I'm inserting only one value, then the data will be 70 and the pointer is assigned to null. If I'm going to insert the next value 60, then the 60 will be assigned to the node and the pointer of the first node will be assigned at referencing the second node. The same way, if I insert the third node and the second node pointer is referencing the third node, the same way the third node will be referencing the fourth node. The third node pointer will be referencing the fourth node. And I'm not going to insert any other value. Now the fourth value pointer will be obviously goes to null. So here we have the first node as a head node. We consider the first in linked list, we have the head node. The first node will be always the head node. We have different types of linked list: singular linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. If I will talk about I will discuss about the different type of linked list in the upcoming video. I believe you got the idea behind the linked list. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Uh, if you want to watch the more upcoming videos, click the subscribe button. Thank you all.